Good day, boys and girls. Reggie Roo here.
Oh no. What's this? It looks like a dangerous forest fire. There's lots of smoke billowing from the fire. It is getting very close to the houses. Here come some fire trucks. I think they'll need help to put out the fire. Is that a helicopter flying through the smoke? Maybe they can help. The helicopter is lowering down an orange bucket. They're picking up water from the lake so they can splash it on the forest fire to put it out. The big bucket of water dangles below the helicopter. Some of the water sprays out the side. Another large helicopter has come to help. It's sucking up the water with a big hose. The helicopter now flies over the fire. Smoke is all around it, and it drops all the water on the fire. Then, another helicopter drops more water on the fire. Splash! Back and forth they go, collecting and dropping more water. Together, they've put out the fire. Now all the people and their houses are safe. Thank you, firefighting helicopters. Hooroo! To see more things that go, click on the videos above. And don't forget to subscribe.